Hello, welcome again to Kim's Bioproduction Academy. Today, let's understand the importance of the use of the contraceptives to prevent fertilization. The importance, we have two importance, main key importance. That is number one, keeping family size small. Number two, limiting increase in the size of population. The world population is increasing, and so we cannot limit by use of these contraceptives. We have various ways by which we can do these methods of contraceptives. Number one is barrier method, and on the barrier method, that is where we use the condoms and the cup. So the condoms, that is just a rubber made up of latex, and this material will be fitted onto the penis of the male's organ, and this one will now prevent the release of the sperm onto the female oviduct, or the uterus of the female, sorry. From now that point, we have the importance for that is to prevent the STIs, diseases, and also infections like HIV and AIDS, and again prevent what? Pregnancy. Number two, we have that cup, and we're saying the cup is what? These are just something fitted under the cervix of the female reproductive system. A cream is applied and fitted, and this fitting, we are speaking about what? The fitting is done around the age, and once the sperm are released, they cannot pass that cup to the uterus of the female. So it means the female will not get pregnant. The importance for this one still just serves as that of the condom. Then next is the use of the pills. The pill. So the pill, these are just made up of hormones, and these hormones prevents the production of the what? Or they stop the production of the egg in females. The examples of these pills are made up of hormones like the progesterone and the estrogen that is just produced by the female reproductive system. So this one will limit the egg production, and it means there will be no fertilization. And this one will be very important, but sometimes it may have some side effects like nausea and even vomiting the female. So this female should visit their doctors. Have sterilization. What is the sterilization? Sterilization whereby the vas difference, that is the vas difference, is being cut, or it's being tied tightly so that it cannot allow the passage of the sperms to which point? To the oviduct. So it means there will be no fertilization, and this one can only be done to people who have children already, because this process is a permanent process and can never be reversed. And the person is just what we are speaking about. It's an operation called vasectomy. This vasectomy is done to the male, and it's just a simple process. We tie it up, and the male will continue. The male will not lose his process or the action, but the sperms cannot be released. From that point, we have the rhythm. What? The rhythm method. The rhythm method is where the female will just be observing now about the ovulation, works out the ovulation cycle, and starts recording about the cycle. It occurs after how many days, but this method is not that much accurate. It's a very risky process, because sometimes it might fail to follow that correct rhythm, and this lead to what? Pregnancy. Thank you very much for learning.